Back in 2020, when the economy was crashing, I bought 250 CSGO cases for $75 in total. 3 years have passed and I'll be turning this into this. Before we get into mathematics and the journey to find the perfect car, I want to explain the reason why I'm selling my cases. Well, it's pretty simple. They have gone up by over 3,000%, which in the real world is insane amount of profit. But the CS2 just came out and they can go up in price even more. Yeah, well, what if I just randomly die tomorrow? Then what? Anyways, I know that some of you save every penny motherfuckers will question why am I buying something that will just decrease in value over time? So let me explain. First of all, it's going to be winter soon and the only car that I have is this Turbo Integra right here that is constantly breaking down, and I would never drive it during the winter because of the salted roads. And second, I wanted to do this last year already, but at one point the cases really crashed in price, which made me hold on to them. But now the price is basically back to what it was at its peak, so it's time to finally sell everything. The following cases that I'll be selling are the Breakout, Vanguard and Phoenix cases, and this is the price that I paid for them at the start of 2020. Pretty cheap, right? So how much can I sell these cases for? Currently the cheapest Breakout case is selling for €5.43, which would give me 529 euros after fees. The Vanguard cases are going for €2.15, giving me 210 euros after fees. And lastly, the Phoenix case is going for €2.66, giving me 130 euros after fees, making my budget 869 euros in total. So now that I have my money, it's time to go shopping. All right, let's see. That's pretty good if you work construction, I guess. Absolutely fucking boring. BMW. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck is this? Yeah, instead of riding this, I think I'd rather kill my... I mean, this is actually pretty good if you like men. What the fuck is this? As you can see, there were a lot of clapped cars, but my main concern was that most of them are just regular NPC cars that you see every day. And being used to driving my Integra, I want to stick to the unique Japanese stuff. But there's a problem with that. Cars like that cost a little bit more, and I don't really have money for that. Unless I told you that 3 days after buying those 250 cases, I spent extra 28 euros to buy 700 Chroma 2 cases that were worth 4 cents each, and now those cases are worth €2.17, meaning that after fees I have extra 1,481 euros, or 2,350 euros total. Not bad for a €100 investment. Anyways, let's start looking for something unique and Japanese. Scrolling through listings again, I noticed a car that I wanted to buy a few months back already, but sadly got sold really quick, which was a 1996 6th generation Toyota Celica with a 1.8 liter engine and a gas system, which is apparently not even legal because it's not registered. But hey, it looks almost the same as my Integra, just made for winter, so let's give it a shot. I can't explain how fucking stressed I am right now. I've never bought a car in my life and I don't like talking on phone. Oh, and KB just wrote to me, have I called the guy yet? Oh! Oh, why is he not answering, man? Alright, I'll send him a message. I'll let him know that I called about the car. So I was a little sad that the guy didn't answer my call, so I went to the local Rimi to pick up some groceries when all of a sudden I got a call back. Celica vēl ir pieejama apskatīšanai? Jā. Kad varētu satikties? Ir varbūt iespējams, nezinu, brīvdienās, sestdien pieņemsim? Sestdien, nē. Rītdien kaut kad, es nezinu, uz vakarpusi varbūt. Rītdien var. Pēc 8 un darbs līdz 8. Ok. Tā mašīnā viss kārtībā? Tur nav nekāda ekstra jāliek iekšā kaut kāds darbs? Nē. Nu, tur ir, protams, mašīna pat par sevi diezgan veca, bet tā kā neko ikdienā lietoju. So we basically agreed on meeting up to check out the car, but as you probably noticed, it is listed for 2,550 euros, which is over my budget. But I'm sure me and my boy KB will be able to hassle it down a little bit. Let's fucking go, baby! Yeah! Tomorrow we're meeting to get the fucking Celica, man. For some reason, the ATM gave me only in 50s, so now I can't even close my goddamn wallet. Look at this fucking stack here, dude. You kidding me? I feel like a rapper right now. Oh my lord. It's like, ring, ring, what's calling? Celica calling. About 2 hours later, I was at KB's workplace and Celica pulled up. And not gonna lie, watching back the footage, the engine sounds extremely beat up. Well, let's see what the experts say. Alright, boys, there's the car. Čau. Raino, tu viņus vasar nopirki, jo es redzēju mājā, viņi bija ielikta arī. Jā, es tieši sanāk tieši pirms vasaras. Viņi vēl gāzi? Jā, diemžēl. Iezid. Man jau tā skaņa, es jau dzirdēju no ārpusē, jau ka brauc iekšā, man bija tāds...
Varbūt tomēr nav kaut kas. Labi, ceļam augšā, skatāmies
As you can hear, the engine doesn't sound too healthy, and also KB with his dad are full-on fraud checking this car.
No. Nē, te jau ir tik daudz jau. Pa štuku, Raino, jau var dabūt, tad ņem.
Cik ir zemākais, cik tu laist?
Pa štuku,
Bet tā reāli?
es nezinu, cik.
2.
Tas ir tagad un iekšā ņem.
Nu tagad uzreiz, piemēram, jā.
2.
2 es palikšu. To arī var padomāt.
Labi, nu nešērēs viņam, vai?
Jā, mans offers 2, tad paliek, ja nekas, tad dod ziņu.
Varbūt.
And just like that, thanks to my boy KB and his dad, I have saved myself from an absolute nightmare of a car. But I did say I would be down to buy it for 2,000 euros, so if the guy changes his mind, he might call me at any time. My first potential car is not going to be my car.
Damn, I was like, bro, nah.
A lot of problems.
Not even for 2K. Raino is like, I'm gonna buy it for 2K.
I mean, 2K is like a reasonable, I made him think for a little bit, so 2K was...
1.5.
I mean,
It's the highest.
So yeah, I guess we keep looking for a different daily car. So while I was sleeping and dreaming about finally owning a daily, I woke up seeing a listing for basically my dream car, which for, if you don't know, it's a Honda CRX. But you can't always have what you want. So car number 2, 1991 Honda Civic with a 1.6 liter D16 engine, which basically looks like the CRX from the front, but it's a hatchback in reality. But hey, I was still pretty excited about the car because they're pretty rare where I live, so let's give it a call. Look at this yellow little thing, dude. Going for 3K, a little bit more than the previous car, so if I do get it, I'll have to get some more money somehow, but let me call them.
Okay.
Tas Civic SS vēl ir pieejams?
Ir, jā.
Kā viņi varētu apskatīt? Es nezinu, tu uz Rīgu kaut kad brauc vai tikai pa Jelgavu?
Es tikai pa Jelgavu ņemos.
Un kad tev pašam brīvāks kaut kad, kad es varētu, nezinu, piebraukt?
Man patiesībā visu laiku brīvs, jā. Vienīgi iepēc jāuzliek koči, kaut ko izdomāšu.
Jā, labi, tad saziņā, jā. Boys, holy shit, it's happening again! Car number 2, we go check it out! After the call, we decided to meet up in 2 days, so me and KB were on our way to Jelgava, which was about an hour-long ride. But before we do that, as you saw, the car is listed for basically 3,000 euros, which is way out of my current budget. But thankfully, the homies at Clash.gg told me if I slap their logo on the car that I buy, they'll cover the extra expenses. So as you can see, we're currently traveling to another city to buy a potential shitbox, which is a massive gamble. And you know where else you can gamble? Exactly, on Clash. You like spinning your wheels and do burnouts? How about you try spinning the roulette or opening the cases? Oh man, I hate potholes. They're kind of like mines. You have to make sure you dodge them. I know a thing or two about having balls and dropping down. If you're into that, how about you try out some Plinko? And lastly, the upgrader. I could upgrade my 2,000 euros to 30,000 and get a Porsche 911, but in gambling there's a lot of risk. So this time I will just stick to buying a shitbox, and you should take this as a warning to be responsible when you gamble. And there are many ways you can withdraw and deposit, but if you're not too keen on that, there's also a lot of free stuff like cash rains every 30 minutes or daily cases. So if you do decide to check out the site, make sure to be at least 18 years old and use code PROP for 5% deposit bonus and instant rake back. Okay, now let's get back to the car stuff. Ciao. Raino, Gustos CRX? Damn. Pause. Motherfucker legit has my dream car just chilling in the back of his garage. Are you fucking kidding? Nu jā, pēc priekšas, jā. CRX vispār es neesmu redzējis cik ilgu laiku.
Jā, visi. Brāns, es kādreiz tādu gribēju.
Jā. Šis tev project cars, jā?
Jā, es nopirku šito un šits pauks stāvot.
Civic sound.
Tur viņi ziemā brauc, jā?
Šajā ziemā esmu braucis, tāpēc viņi grib pārdot. Jūs jau nebrauksiet ziemā, ne?
Nu, man ir doma ziemā braukt, jā. Jo es ar savējo,
es šito arī nopirku ziemā, vai šito nepirku tev labi. Žēl vienkārši paliek, ka viņi mūs atkal jāmetina.
Cik tev viņa ilgi vispār jau ir?
Man viņa ir kaut kādi 5-6 gadi.
Tev, ok.
Bet viņi 3 gadi nostāvēja, es viņu pārmetināju, pārkrāsoju un viņi man tam matājās.
So yeah, after a couple of minutes, KB was checking out the bottom of the car and some other little things, but you know, for a 1991 car, there was not much to expect, especially that he drove it during the winter, but overall, it was pretty fine, I guess.
Gribīs, bro?
Ja var, tad... Sounds like a Civic. Bro, it sounds like a tinfoil can, I love it. I think we might be picking up this bad boy, though we gotta think about the price, man. Gotta get it down a little bit, man, because there is some things to fix, obviously. But overall, dude, it's way better than the Celica, so I think this might be it, boys.
Nu, cik tu esi gatavs vispār laist lejā, ja viņš nav?
2,5.
Pa 2,4 tu būtu gatavs atdot?
Mēs pa 2,5. Tas jau tā, jau diezgan nomet no 3. Vispār žēl viņu pārdūglīs. Un visi saka, nē, priekš kāds pat ir. Es saku, man pašam žēl, lai viņi ziemā brauk. Viņi raudot. Un es mēģinu atrast iemeslu, lai nebraukt ar viņu. Jā, ja kādreiz vajag, var sametināt, sakrāsot.
Nu, labi, tad es ņemšu.
Ņemsi?
Jā.
Tagad jau?
Nu, laikam jau.
Tev uzreiz rīt jau būs jāapdrošina. Es pat neticu, ka nopirkt. Es biju cerējis, ka neviens nepirkt.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the guy was capping about being sad that it's sold. And also kind of weird how he instantly dropped the price by 500 euros. But hey man, the car is mine now. KB, I finally have a winter car.
So I got my pay also.
Yeah, he got his gas money, thank you KB. And there is the little beauty, man, the Bumblebee. It is a literal shitbox, but hey man, what can you do, man? With this amount of money. In theory, it didn't cost me that much because it's just case investments, so it's like 100 euros or around 100 euros, so...
100 euro shit nugget.
Yeah, why not? See you during the daytime. Alright boys, as you can see, I have a matching outfit here with the little Bumblebee, so let's check out the car. Let's see what's good here. Already off the bat, we have a little plastic coming off here. You know, it's normal, man. It's 91 car. Obviously, the beautiful wheels here. The white wheels, I have no idea what kind of brand they are, but they're white, so they must be good, right? Coming here from the back, we have some fucking gay-ass looking stickers here. I don't know what is this all about. There was some stickers here on the side already. I already scraped them off, thankfully. But actually, I do have a new sticker. One second. New sticker here to apply on the car. Boom. Before we enter the interior, you can see there is a bit of a rust situation going on here. If you go back a little bit from here and you slightly dug down, you can see this absolute atrocity of exhaust. I don't fucking know who the fuck installed this piece of shit, but it is horrible, man. It's just trash. Then entering the car, probably the biggest thing you see here is the wheel right here, right? Fucking Raid Shadow Legends wheel. Raid HP, I don't fucking know. No fucking health points, horsepower, who fucking knows what this is, but it works. When you sit inside the car, you can see there's a little space for coins. And god damn, bro. Not only we got the car for 500 euros cheaper, motherfucker gave me half of the money back already. Sick. As you can see here, close up, the guy left it very, very clean for me, you know. Such a great guy, you know. These smell really nice, yeah. As you can see, we have a radio here, which sadly doesn't have an aux cord. So we have a custom radio here, and we can put some tunes on here. So also here, when I turn on the lights, you can come here, you can see a little LED turning on. There's a lot of space here. You can fit your condoms in here, Mini Cooper wallet in here, motherfucking toilet paper, cigarettes, everything, bro. Shit's just so spacious, man. Let's see, what else does this car have? Motherfucking metal shit here, dude. Overall, extremely fucking dirty everywhere you look. Shit's just fucking molded trash, bro. I don't even know what the fuck like, look, like this shit is like coming off here throughout the whole car. So unlike in my Integra, right, where you open up the trunk, right, you gotta be a fucking power lifter to open this shit, and then you put it on a stick here. That's the only way it's standing. In the Civic, come here, we open up the trunk. Does it even open? We'd open up the trunk and
oh my,
and just fucking piece of shit come out. Ugh. Yeah, looks like you motherfucking need to put this shit on a stick as well, man. Like, one day, guys, I'll have a nice car, man. Anyways, if you remove these seats right here, these are OEM seats, by the way. Without these, you can't pass the inspection. You can actually, there's back seats in this car, surprisingly, believe it or not. Put them back like that, boom, boom. Anytime here, anytime. There we go. Oh, fuck. And if you want to open the back window,
There we go. So yeah, there's space for your boys and there's also space for sexual activities back in here. So boys, there is plenty of space here for you and your female opposition. So this car is pretty good, spacious as I already mentioned. And if you don't have any female oppositions to share the back seat with, we can test out if you can fit in your BMX bike. It is very, very important for me actually. So let's go take it out from my Integra, which you can see is extremely spacious for such activities as BMX, right? And does it fit? Oh my god, guys, it actually fits in the Civic! Holy shit, that's a good car. That's all I needed it for, honestly. Also, when I bought this car, let's fucking put this shit back again. Takes only a couple of minutes. Yeah, when I bought this car, the guy said it doesn't have any power steering, but apparently it doesn't even originally come with power steering. So you have to be... It locked up. Take my word for it, there is no power... Fucking mosquitoes. There is no power steering in this wheel, so that's kind of sad. Also, another little feature that this car has, it actually has a sunroof up here. Yeah, let's test it out here. Hello. In the summer you can like climb out here, chill on the rooftop like an India man on the trains. Also we can see the previous owner extremely patriotic and loves a lot of smells, like he was even collecting these. That's a little weird, but you know, each their own I guess. Also every single fucking mirror is broken. As far as I know, I think broken mirrors is like bad luck or some shit, so fuck man, not good. But now that we have reviewed the car, as you can see, it is very unique color, just what I wanted. We got the Clash sponsor here in the hood, as they told me, you know, if I put their name on the car they'll sponsor the video, so again shout out to them. But overall I think it's a pretty good winter beater, winter car, even though it is a front wheel drive, so can't do any of that cool fucking little drifting action, you know what I'm saying? Who cares about it anyways? So let's do a little speed test now, shall we? So you know, I'm used to driving my Integra right there, 300 horsepower vehicle right there. This one is like 140 something, but it should still be fast, right? Let him pass real quick. Be careful, this thing goes pretty fast. All right, here we go. This is fuck my bike, man.
I think I need this.
This fucking piece of shit, man. Power steering.
What's wrong?
This car fucking sucks. With that said, boys, thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to Clash. Yeah, since I'm so close to 100k subscribers, make sure to subscribe right now. We can do it together by the end of the year. Other than that, yeah, like, comment, all that good shit. Where the fuck are the keys at? Write in the comments. Would you rather keep the cases, or would you buy a shit box like this instead? But yeah, with that said, boys, I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, adios. Oh yeah, also 3 days later, literally the exact same car, just in way better condition, got listed for basically the same price. Fuck my life.